This is the world premiere of the C7 Corvette Z06, and you're watching in here with DT Rockstar 1. At first glance, you can clearly see that this car is wider and much more aggressive than the base C7 Corvette. It has many added vents for improved cooling, including an intake on the hood which leads air to the vents behind the front wheels. There is a carbon fiber splitter and a rear wing. The rear wing even has a clear spot for improved rear visibility. The LT4 engine is a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 producing an estimated 625 horsepower and 635 foot-pounds of torque. Under normal everyday driving, the Z06 can actually run on just 4 cylinders, a nice touch for fuel economy. There is a choice of 2 different transmissions, either a 7-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters. I think I'll take the manual. This car now comes with a removable roof panel, which was previously unavailable on the Z06. GM claims that the aluminum frame is pretty much the same as what was used on the C7R. In fact, the Z06 is more rigid without the roof panel than the C6ZR1. GM has really taken the technological levels of the Corvette to a whole new level. I look forward to seeing this car on the road. Be sure to subscribe and follow me on Facebook and Twitter for more automotive events. This is DT Rockstar 1. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.